Feininger is the most influential expert in XPS foam extrusion field in the world. By global top R&D team, advanced production technology, sound quality management system, outstanding developing concept, and perfect service, we create a reliable international brand. Feininger. Currently, Feininger bears Freon series and hydro-nitrogen series foaming technology. The green CO2 series foaming technology is especially favored by many customers. We manufacture different models of automatic and semi-automatic extruding machines with the capacity from 280 kilograms per hour to 1,000 kilograms per hour, the performances of which are appreciated by domestic and foreign customers. Combining with the high efficiency of mixing feature of double screw, automatic extruding machine has the advanced intelligent control system with many advantages such as automatic and stable feeding, accurate weightlessness measurement, energy saving, environment-friendly automatic constant temperature, accurate counting and stacking, prompt and accurate cutting. In addition, we also welcome you to choose our parallel decorative line equipment and other XPS auxiliary equipment. Because of our energy-saving and innovation concept, Feininger's XPS extruding equipment has been recognized and supported worldwide. Feininger has been appointed as demonstration enterprise of phasing out HCFC project by UNDP, Multilateral Fund Executive Committee, and Chinese Ministry of Environmental Protection. With her far-seeing, long-term international developing strategy, Feininger aims to serve all mankind with her advanced and energy-saving XPS extruding machines. We sincerely invite friends of all trade to join us and develop together.